those allegations of a cover-up by the Erie County Sheriff's Office to protect one of its high-ranking members.
Yeah, this case has now caught the attention of multiple police oversight groups who say the law enforcement groups involved owe us, the taxpayers, some answers. And we're talking about what reportedly happened the night of April 11th. This was last year. Police records show Chief Dan Granville was driving a county-owned truck when he was involved in several hit-and-run crashes on Buffalo's west side.
Some of the car owners here have filed costly insurance claims against the county, and taxpayers could be on the hook to now pay them. Tonight, 7 News reporter Kristen Moran is turning the mic over to these oversight groups. You're going to hear from a Buffalo councilman demanding information about the possible involvement of Buffalo police. But we begin with the National Police Accountability Group, who describes this situation as disappointing.
A national civil rights group is now weighing in on the alleged hit-and-run cover-up involving Erie County Sheriff's Office Chief of Narcotics Daniel DJ Granville.
I would say this is different than how we see a lot of sheriff's departments or police departments deal with an officer involved in reckless driving.
Lauren Bonds is the executive director of the National Police Accountability Project, an organization that has more than 500 civil rights attorneys focusing on police misconduct.
It's difficult work, but we think it's necessary and helpful as well.
I reached out to Bonds for her perspective on Granville hitting 7 parked cars on Buffalo's west side last April while in this county-owned truck. A lawsuit claims he was impaired when it happened. Granville's sister-in-law, a Buffalo police lieutenant, signed off on the police report. Today, Granville is still on the job with no known discipline.
What do you guys typically see with an incident similar to this?
You would see the officer, getting in trouble in some way, whether that's they're, placed on suspension, they're placed on leave, they might even be fired.
I asked Sheriff John Garcia about the incident last week.
It's a car accident. It's allegedly, until I hear otherwise, which I haven't.
Bond says that response is disappointing as public trust relies on police leadership being accountable and holding their employees to that same standard.
Some of the damage is done, right? And the fact that this was withheld from the public for so long, you can't really undo that. But there is a way to take accountability moving forward. And that's, part of it is acknowledging that there was real harm done here.
Now lawmakers in both Erie County and the city of Buffalo are taking action.
But it's important that this Common Council go on record, just as the legislature, that we're not going to sweep it under the rug.
Niagara District Councilmember David Rivera introduced this letter to Buffalo's Police Commissioner Al Wright during a council meeting Tuesday. The letter asked that the commissioner discuss what happened at next month's Police Oversight Committee meeting. The commissioner confirmed he will attend.
I have questions, and that's why we filed a letter, because of the questions, the unknown.
Kristen Moran, 7 News, Buffalo.